Let us now discuss the attributes like faces, edges and net for a general n-gonal prism. N-gonal prism means the prism whose base is a n-gon, means n-gonal polygon. That is the polygon that got n sides, n number of sides. So for example, here it is shown a1, a2, a3 dot dot dot. That means we got lots of other arms, and then the last arm is an, and the second last arm will be an minus 1, and so on. So here, although in the picture we are showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but basically there can be any number of arms. So this is an n-gonal polygon. It can be 7, it can be 9, it can be 12, it can be 3, it can be 4. So any number of arms, that is n-gonal polygon. That is polygon with order n, that is there are n sides. Then this is a general n-gonal prism. If the arm is 3, number of arm is 3, then it's 3-gonal, that means triangular prism. 4 rectangular prism or quadrilateral prism or rectangular prism. 5 pentagonal, 6 hexagonal, 7 heptagonal, 8 octagonal, and so on, any number of arms. So in these kinds of prism, the base is a n-gonal polygon, then the top will also be an n-gonal polygon. So these two face will always be, if it is triangle, then 2 triangular face. If rectangle, this rectangular face. Trapezoid, then trapezoidal, 2 trapezoidal face, trapezium face. Pentagonal, then 2 pentagonal face. Hexagonal, then 2 hexagonal face, and so on. So any n-gonal prism will have 2 faces which are n-gonal polygon. So n-gonal polygon, that is polygon with n arms, and with each of the side there will be one rectangular face. There are n sides, so there will be n number of rectangular faces. So for a general case, in any n-gonal prism, there will always be n plus 2 number of faces. Among them, 2 will be the polygonal faces. If it is triangle, then triangular faces. If it is heptagon, then heptagonal faces, and so on. And all other n side walls will be always rectangular faces. And the number of edges at the bottom, that is at the base, there will always be n number of edges. At the top there will always be n number of edges. So here n, and the connection lines, the height lines, vertical lines will be another n. So there will always be 3n numbers of edges for a n-gonal prism. For triangular prism, n is 3, so there will always be 9 edges. For pentagonal prism, n is 5, so there will be 15 edges, and so on. And drawing the nets is easy. We will just take one of the rectangular face, say starts with its first arm a1. We will draw that one first, a1 and height, using height, and then with this a1's common edge, we will draw that polygon or base, a1, a2, a3 dot dot dot, as many as arms, and then an minus 1 and an. This one polygon. On the other end, we will draw the same polygonal face, a1, a2, a3, a2, a3 dot dot dot, an minus 1 and an. So in this way, these two polygon is done, and then starting from here, a2, a3 in this way, an, a2, a3 in this way, an minus 1, an. So we will draw all the faces in one side, or some of the faces in the this side. If we want to bring some of the faces in the left side, we will be going in the opposite order. That is, here if we want to draw, then an will come first, then an minus 1 will come, and so on. So if we bring these two this side, then an will come first, and an minus 1 will come next, and so on. So in this way, we can always draw nets of any order polygonal prism. Let us draw the net of this given prism. So here the base is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is a 4 arms. That means it's a and it is not a square or rectangle or anything. It is just a normal 4 arms polygon, that is a quadrilateral. So it is a quadrilateral. So it's a quadrilateral. So it's a quadrilateral prism. Its base is quadrilateral, general quadrilateral. So it's a quadrilateral prism. So we need to draw its nets. So what we will do, we will start with any of the faces. So let us start with this face. Any of the rectangular faces, not any of the faces, any of the rectangular faces. So this rectangular face is 16 by 14. This is 16, this is 14. So this is 16 and this is 14. So we started with this face, and with this face, this is the common position. So let us name it A, B, C and D. So now let us name this one also E, F, G and H. So A, B, C, D. With A, B, this base A, B, F, E is one quadrilateral face. So it will be A, B. So this is A, B, C and D. So A, B, F, E, A, B, F and E. So here A, B is given 16 centimeter. We already know this is 16, this is 16, and this BF will be equal to CG, which is 12. So this is 12 centimeter. EF, which will be equal to HG, which is 8, and AE, which is given 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Similar to this one, we will draw another one here. So DCZF, DCZ, not F, DCZH, this top face. So here DC is 16, this is known 16, CZ is 12, CZ is 12, ZH is 8, and HD equals EA, which is 10. So this top. So this is the base, this is the top, this is one of the side wall, and another 3 side walls we need to draw. So with BC, if we draw BCZF, then this height is 14, and this CG, this is CG and BF, they are 12 centimeter. They are 12 centimeter. Similarly, from starting from ZF, ZFEH, ZFEH. So this arm, this height is always 14. This arm HG or EF is 8. This is 8. And from AC, common AC, we can draw EHDA, EHD and A, which is AE is 10, which is 10. So here we draw all 4 faces in same side. But if we say, if we want to bring these 2 faces at the left side, that means we will start from AD, ADHE, ADHE. So this AE 10 will come here, this 10 centimeter, because we are starting from here again. And then EH GF, EH GF. So this 8 will come this side. So these 2, either we can draw in all 4 faces on one side, or we can distribute the faces in 2 sides, and thereby we can get the net. So it's easy to draw net for any kinds of polygonal base prism. We will just start with a rectangular face, and with that rectangular face we will give this base and top in these 2 sides, and in this rightward and leftward we will draw all the side walls, and thereby we will always get the net of the any order polygonal prism.